Hey everyone, if you are looking to import your Bullx wallet into Phantom, you are in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through creating your Bullx private key and then importing it into the Phantom wallet. So let's get started. First, alright, the first step is generate your Bullx private key. First, open the Telegram app and search for the Bullx bot. Then start a chat with the bot by typing start. Once the bot replies, type new wallet to create a new Bullx. The bot will then generate a private key and public address. Save the private key somewhere secure. If you lose it, you lose access to funds permanently. So never share the private key with anyone and avoid storing it on devices connected to the internet to reduce the risk of hacks. You can also log in from here. Then you will get a link to open. Click open. Then you will be redirected to this page. Here you will see your Telegram username. Then from here you will see a Bullx option here. Then click on it. Then you will see an option wallet manager. Click on it. Then you will see your crypto here. Then select a new key, then select a new wallet. Then you will see one private key available here. Just select it. Then you will see download private key. Just select it and it will be downloaded to your PC. And then open the text file. Now here you will see it is a text file. Open it, and here you will see there are two parts. One is wallet address and other one is your private key. Now you have to now that you have your Bullx private key, now it's time to import it into Phantom. Download and install the Phantom app or browser extension if you haven't already. Then open the Phantom wallet. Log in with your credentials. Then select here you will see open your select your profile icon. Now select setting icon from here. Now select manage account. Then select add or connect wallet. Then here you will see a bunch of options. From here select import private key. Then select the crypto and name it and enter copy the private key from here, then paste it here and then select import, and that's it. That's you have successfully imported your Bullx wallet into Phantom. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more quick crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have any other questions.